Okay, Saxon Math 4 group, we're on lesson 29. We're going to talk about multiplication facts as zeros, ones, twos, and fives. You guys already know these, so this is a nice review. The power up is the first section of the lesson. We'll do the mental math and the problem solving. And then if you notice, there are no examples, and the lesson practice will simply say to do the power up. So it's going to be a short lesson today. We're going to start with the mental math. We can split numbers to help us add. I do this a lot mentally. Adding 35 and 8, we may notice that 35 needs 5 more to make 40. And that 8 splits into 5 and 3. So what I do, I like to borrow 5 from the 8, okay? And then I know that I have 3 more, okay? So the 35 and 5 is 40, and plus 3 is 43. So let's look at number sense. 35 needs 5 more for 40, right? So we're going to take that 5 from the 7. And how many would we have left over? So we have the 40, and we have the 2 left over, so it's 42. 68 only needs 2 more, doesn't it, to become 70? Then you would have 5 left. 75. Now you think about this one. Think about what 38 needs. Take it from the 5, and then add what you had left over. Ta-da! Okay, measurement. The width of a large paper clip is 1 centimeter. How many millimeters wide is the paper clip? And you know that a centimeter on the ruler, it's about the width of your pinky. But if you look at the teeny tiny dots, those are millimeters. They're about the width of a pencil dot. And you can fit 10 millimeters inside a centimeter. So that's the answer. 10 millimeters. Measurement. The high temperature for the day was 84 degrees Fahrenheit. When the temperature dropped, then the temperature dropped 14 degrees. What was the new temperature? And so you can mentally do that and put the 14 under here, and you know that that's going to be 70 degrees, or you can take away 10 first and get down to 74, and then take away 4 more, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the time? Let's see, 2 hours before 1 a.m. Well, 1 hour before 1 a.m. is midnight, right? And then another hour before that is 11 o'clock. So we're going from the wee hours of the morning back to late at night. And so we're going to go backwards back into p.m. So keep in mind that if you cross over the midnight, 12 o'clock, or if you cross over noon, that you're going to be switching from a.m. to p.m. or vice versa. Money. Anne bought a notebook for $2, a compass for $4, and a ruler for $1. What was the total cost of the items? 2 and 4 is 6, plus 1 is $7. Number sense. Think of the number that's missing in this fact family. 8 equals 3 plus what? It's 5. Problem solving. Hope has 7 coins in her right pocket. None of the coins are dollar or half-dollar coins. So we have no silver dollars and no 50-cent pieces. What is the lowest possible value of all 7 coins? Well, if she just has all pennies, then 7 pennies will be 7 cents. But what is the highest possible value of all 7 coins if she has 7 quarters? We know 4 of those is $1, and then we would have 3 more. So what would that be? $1.75. Lowest value, 7 cents. Highest value, $1.75. Okay, and at this point, you just need to go back and check your work for 28. So hit pause as you check 1 through 7. Hit pause as you check 1 through 23. Hit pause as you check 24 through 30. And you are finished.